Copa Cubana. It was the place where Jed.
Let me see. No.
Where Jed used to be a showboy.
Let me see the Copa
There he
Cubana.
met JJ. And together, they decided to begin a whirlwind of romance and passion. Hi,
Hi! Pa-play!
JJ.
Yung mic.
Pa-play po, mga inosenteng bata lang po kami.
J. What would you say about Jed, the love of your life? You spent 7 years with him.
Hoy! Yung mic!
Ano yan?
Paano kayo magwawala?
Jed, puro ka! Go, Sir Chanko! Joke. Wait, Jed. Ano ba?
What you gonna do with all the junk?
All that junk inside your truck. I'ma get drunk. Get you love drunk on my hub. My hub. My lovely little love.
Check it out!
I love this thing. See, I do it on the daily. They treat me really nicely. They buy me all this icy. Gucci and Gabbana. Kendall and Madonna. Karen, they'll be sharing. All the money got me wearing fly. Know that I ain't asking. They say they love my accent. 7 G's, true religion.
JJ natin si Jed.
So I can take this. You can be okay.
Ex ni ano, ni JJ.
In my love, my love, my love, my love, my love, my love, you love. My house, they got you.
Blow a kiss, Jed. Blow a kiss. Blow a kiss.
Spending all your money on me and spending time on me. She's got me spending, spending all your money on me, What you gonna do with all that junk inside the truck? Get you drunk, get you love drunk on my
Pakita mo sa akin. What would it look like kapag nakikipag-kiss ka kayo?
I'ma make you scream, make you scream. Cause of my house,
My lovely little house. Check it out.
I met a girl that
Who's single ni JJ?
Cocoa puff, milky cocoa. With my cocoa puff, milky ride. Say I'm really sexy, this boy's gonna sex me.
May feelings yan, JJ, ah.
Always standing next to me, try to feel my hump. Looking at my love. You can look, but you can't touch it if you touch it.
Start some drama. You don't want no drama.
No drama. No drama. Pull on my hand.
Jed, nakaharap ka.
Man, boy, I'm just trying to dance, boy, and move my hump.
Ay, gago.
My hump. My lovely lady loves. My lovely lady loves. The back and the front. My loving got me. He's got me spending all the money on me and spend. She's spending all your money on me. What you gonna do with all that junk inside your trunk? I'ma get you drunk, get you love drunk on my hook. What you gonna do with all that ass inside your jeans? I'ma make you scream, make you scream. What you gonna do with all that junk inside your trunk? I'ma get you drunk, get you love drunk on my hook. What you gonna do with all that breath inside that shit? I'ma make you work. Make you work, make it work.
Oh, yan po. Snuff video.
Post tayo!
Baba.
Tignan natin breast daw. Hanapin natin. Meron ba?
Wala.
Ako, try mo na.
Sige.
Gago.
Sa'yo. Ikaw, Jed. Pakita mo ng breast mo.
Manly boobs.
Man boobs. Dali.
Best, hindi breast, beast.
Jed. Ooh. You touch my troll.
Aray,
Sayang. Alam nyo, Sira na yung mga baon nyo.
Wala na, chips natin si Rana.
Powder na yan pag kinain nyo.
Oh, go. Let's watch.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Ooh, ito lang, talk show tayo.
Okay, interview.
Hello, I am Johan from the country of Switzerland, and I'm here today with two of my good friends. On my left,
Where's my mirror?
I have Jamie Jameson, JJ for short.
Ooh.
That's the very, very famous gay
Wait.
actress of I Want to Fuck You Tonight, the movie.
Wait a minute. I have a question.
Camila, my host who is recording the show. Yes, what's your question?
Is it JJ your boyfriend?
Of course, I do not associate myself with cheap women like him.
Excuse me, where's my mirror?
Excuse me, but
Wait
you
a
are
minute.
not Mom Lim, so you do not have the right to say excuse. Anyway, to my right, I have my other guest.
Mirror time na.
Nabuti.
Napalis na tayo.
Wait a minute, you just be quiet. If you want, you can go have sex with someone like that.
Wala mirror ko.
She's looking for his mirror. Anyway, on my right, we have the sexy, beauticious co-host.
Beauticious.
Ayason.
Okay.
Ayason, you know, like the duplicate of Fergie. You know, Ferguson, she's Ayason. So
Akala ko ba lalaki ako?
yeah, you know, she's a tomboy, so they make a good pair. In fact, they fight a lot like Ranma Saotome and Akane Tenno, so that means, you know.
Aya, show them snake bite. Snake bite.
Ha! How dare you? How dare you do that to me? You are violating my personal space.
How dare you touch his man boobs? How dare you touch his man boobs?
I dare you touch mine.
Only.
I dare you touch mine.
So I have
Only-
one question per
Wait,
person.
pinapalis na tayo.
Yeah, one question first. So you, what do you want to do when you finish the movie?
I want to be a meteorite.
I think I'm gonna,
Go to the dance floor.
master...
Wait.
Oh, you know, he already had the post-menstrual surgery. So, you know, he does not have a genitalia of the male anymore.
So, all the way
And,
siya.
you know, it's, how dare you lick your own.
Wait a minute.
Yes, Camila.
I thought you cut it off.
Oh no, I was
Bec-
not the one who surgery him.
No.
The person
No.
outside.
It broke off
Oh, and then,
because you use it too much.
Oh, no, I did not. No.
No, it's the ball pen.
And the last question, or anyway, we have a question for my guest to my right. So, what do you want to do with this person to my left?
Fuck him.
Oh, that's disgusting.
Fuck him.
Like this, oh.
No!
No.
Wait, let's ask the people. What do you want to do to JJ? 1, 2, 3.
Patangin si Barabas.
Crucify him.
I like pie.
Crucify him.
Hey, pie is mine.
No.
Yours is
not-
Atali.
No, not that pie. The pie from the game that happened to you with the big boo-boos, you know. No. I like...
No.
I don't
Ano yung tama lang? Layasin na tayo dito.
I'm referring to Payo cherry pie in my homeland of Braxenberg. We have good cherry pies. But like the cherry that is
Correct, we're
popping
out of time na.
Shut up. Again.
Nagalit na yung ano.
Yeah.
Again.
Bye na guys.
I wanna see that.
That's a different popping cherry. My mama popped cherry differently because she popped cherry to make cherry pie. That's a different cherry.